This is a special report from About Space Today.
Welcome to Special Report. I'm David Denault. We as a civilization continue to ask, where did we come from? The Bible, the earliest accounts of civilization, say it all began with Adam and Eve. And yet ancient alien theorists say we were created by the star gods, dating back to the Sumerian civilization 4100 BCE, when the Anunnaki arrived from the heavens. Well, an unusual cave found in Siberia led scientists to a new species of humans. Next, as America and the world is listening to Special Report on About Space Today. Come to the land of orange groves and palm trees. Come to the land of theme parks. Come to the land of sunny beaches and the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean. So come and visit Florida for lasting memories. Email us. Email david.ddcruiseandtours@gmail.com or call D&D Cruise and Tours at 877-747-8631 for your next family, cruise, or theme park vacation. Let us provide you your next visit with our travel experience, not experimentation. We are members of IATAN and CLIA. Email david.ddcruiseandtours@gmail.com. Serving the Southeast, traveler since 1985. Welcome back. Archaeologists have uncovered what they believe is a new human species.
It was held that the Neanderthals were stupid, primitive subhumans, shambling, lacking symbolism. Turns out that that's not true at all. What first drew me into it was Denisova Cave in Siberia. What they discover is this isn't a Neanderthal. This is another human species.
The site is known as the Denisovan Cave in Siberia, and British journalist Graham Hancock has studied the amazing information it has given up, including DNA.
The Denisova Cave, nestled in the Bashalaqsky range of the Altai Mountains, holds a special place in the world of archaeology and human evolution studies. This remarkable site, located at the convergence of Russia, China, Mongolia, and Kazakhstan, is renowned for its rugged terrain and rich biodiversity. The Altai Mountains, a region with a complex geological history, are home to diverse flora and fauna and numerous caves, including the Denisova Cave.
Denisova Cave is a fascinating, beautiful place to visit. It's another example of a missing chapter in the human story that is beginning to be pieced together. The genome of the Denisovans and revealed the Denisovan connection to anatomically modern humans.
The story of the Denisovans is a truly fascinating one, revealing a complex and intriguing chapter in our prehistoric past. This group of extinct archaic humans came into the spotlight in 2010 with a remarkable discovery in the Denisova Cave in Siberia. Initially, scientists thought they had found a Neanderthal bone, but DNA analysis told a different story. It was a finger bone fragment, but not from a Neanderthal. Instead, it unveiled a distinct genetic profile, marking the identification of an entirely new group of ancient humans, the Denisovans. Genetically, the Denisovans were unique, distinct both from modern humans and Neanderthals. The DNA suggested a divergence from Neanderthals around 400,000 years ago, a detail that has added depth to our understanding of human evolution during the Pleistocene era. But the physical appearance of the Denisovans is still largely a mystery. We have only a finger bone, a few teeth, and a fragment of a skull. These limited fossils, robust in nature, hint that the Denisovans were well adapted to the harsh environments of Pleistocene Asia, possibly physically formidable. What's truly remarkable is the Denisovans' genetic legacy in modern humans. Certain populations, particularly in Asia and Oceania, carry Denisovan DNA, a testament to ancient interbreeding.
Denisovan DNA survives, interestingly enough. It survives predominantly in Australasia, in Papua New Guinea and amongst Australian Aborigines.
The indigenous populations in Melanesia, like the Papua New Guineans, show the highest known Denisovan ancestry. About 5% of their DNA is Denisovan. This interbreeding wasn't just with modern humans, they also mingled with Neanderthals, showing a pattern of intermixing among different archaic human species that was more common than we previously thought. And the Denisovans might not have just mingled with known species. Recent studies suggest they might have interbred with another, yet unidentified, ancient human lineage. But what about their culture? While direct evidence is scarce, the Denisova cave has yielded sophisticated stone tools, a bone needle, and jewelry.
There are indications of strangely out-of-place technology amongst the Denisovans, which is 20, 30,000 years earlier in the human story than it should be.
The impact of the Denisovans on evolutionary biology has been nothing short of revolutionary. They've reshaped our understanding of human evolution, showing us a more intricate history than we once understood. They've also opened up new questions about migration, adaptation, and survival of archaic human populations in Eurasia, but there's still so much we don't know. Research into the Denisovans is ongoing, with scientists piecing together more information from the limited material available. The Denisovan genome in particular is a goldmine.
And Graham Hancock affirms that we are not alone.
It's obvious now that we were not alone, that there were multiple other human species who were human enough to interbreed with us and leave DNA.
The more archaeologists search for answers, the more questions arise. Check out the DENIS Denis OVAN cave in Siberia. Its discoveries fascinating. And follow About Space Today for news and information. Listen to America in Space each Friday with Space Coast News editor Dawn Meyer, a 28-year veteran of the Space Shuttle program. And join John Gomez for This Week in Space, and listen to my special reports twice monthly. Thanks for joining me from your home or where you work. I'm David Denault, and this has been Special Report on About Space Today.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.